What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage, where I drop a new video every day. That's going to be my new motto. I'm going to scream at the beginning and end of these things, where every day you get a 5-minute turd. Oh, the auction, man. Every Thursday, baby, now. There are 600 to 700 cars, and I bought something today. Everything I looked at, wasn't able to buy. The one thing I did not look at, I bought. And y'all, this this ain't much. It ain't much at all. Roll 'em up windows, hard plastic doors. 191,000 miles. But she is a 2011, and by golly, she is a one owner. Yes, that's right. One owner. Bought new and traded in at the Hyundai dealership here in Chattanooga. I've just now gotten on the interstate to try and attempt my commute home. And I see I'm already running into traffic, which is a little unusual because it's before 5 o'clock. But I'll pick back up here when we can get up to some highway speeds. And yeah, this is a real gem of a car. I mean, it really is. A lot of miles, just cheap transportation. I'd paid under $2,000 for it. And I mean, cold, freezing cold AC. Good oil, engine runs like a little sewing machine. But this is a 2011 3-door Hyundai Accent. And I guess it's the GS package or whatever, because it does have a right side mirror and it does have a rear wiper, which not all these 3 doors came with a rear wiper, but this one's got one, so that's great. It also has USB and iPod hookup. Look how dirty. Now I gotta do some cleaning, but I mean, she's in pretty good shape overall. And look at this glove box. It's full of receipts, service records, registration. So I'm real anxious to weed through those when I get home. Let me get through some of this traffic, see what's going on, and we'll pick back up when we get up to some speed. Okay, that's a little better. Now, tell me, I'm going to try and keep it down, but tell me if this is not a little sweetheart. Cruising along right at 75. The old 4-speed Slug-O-Matic is pulling down about 3,000 RPMs at 75. That ain't too bad. Not for a car, you know, with a tiny engine like this, but it's got plenty of power, good pickup, and is smooth. I mean, not the slightest vibration. I'm going to rest the phone on the steering wheel. Not the slightest vibration. I mean, unbelievable for a sub $2,000 car. I mean, one of my buddies from high school, he's a car dealer. I've been bumping into him here recently, and he was bidding against me on this one, and I was like, nah, you ain't getting this one. He has a real nice buy here, pay here kind of car lot, except he's not as crooked as a lot of them have the reputation of being. He's actually a pretty honest dealer and has been in business for years. I don't think he really rapes and gouges people on the interest rate, and is pretty fair with, you know, the payments and down payments, because the town we live in is a textile community. A lot of working class in the mills and plants. And, you know, a lot of those guys, you know, they need a car they can pay weekly on. And he's done real well and gets a lot of repeat business because he sells nice cars and does not, you know, stick it to them and gouge them, and, you know, he likes repeat customers instead. So shout out to him, my buddy Mark, if he sees this video. The Accent is a little delight on the way home. She is something sweet. I'll be anxious to go through the glove box full of service records I saw in there and see what all I can find. But so far, so good. Got cold air. It's 68 degrees here in Georgia today. I got the air conditioner on fan speed 2, and it's nice and cold. Well, I'm almost home, guys. She's done well, no problems. Fuel gauge really hadn't moved. I've been running about 80, 85 the whole way. Has an unbelievable compliant ride. Not harsh, very soft and complacent. I mean, this thing is a little cruiser. I'm just tickled to death with it. Lord. Hell, I ought to make it mine. It'd get better gas mileage than that damn Impala or that Honda V6. This is really neat. I mean, what a cool car. And just, it'll go as fast as you want to go. I mean, it really will. I had it up to 90 earlier. It was turning like 3,500 RPM, you know. Not bad for such a little motor. I got a lot of traffic out here today, so they're kind of keeping my speeds dialed in. Can't wait to get her cleaned up and go get the oil changed, and dude, just put her up for sale. And turn and burn, turn and burn. Only bum spot on the outside is the rear bumper has a little indention in the corner where they backed into something, but it's just plastic. You just heat it up with a hair dryer or pour some hot water on it and it'll just pop right back out. One of those type deals. So anyway, I'll get a little quick walk around of this one when I get to the house. Alright, well there she is. Little walk around. Does look like I got a busted lip. No big deal. Got a little bump right there on the fender. But other than that, she's pretty straight. A couple of little dings right here. But I mean, and that bump right there, that'll come out with just a little bit of heat. I've done that before. But it looks like we got a set of, well, we got Hankook Optimo tires. So we got a decent set of tires on her. Two look, they look good. Looks like it came from CarMax. So it must have been a 2-owner and not a 1-owner. I thought I swore it said 1-owner. Maybe I looked up so many cars today, I can't remember. Well, I'm glad to see it's got good tires on it. I was concerned about that. I had not even looked at them. Under the hood, I want you to hear how quiet this little car is. It is truly amazing. Listen to that. To have almost 200,000 miles. And nothing smells funny. Nothing weird. Just amazing. Truly amazing. Can't believe I got it for the money. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate y'all. Follow me at the auction today. We'll see what we come up with next week. Peace.